let's look at the differences and the similarities between Binance application, that is this Binance app, and KuCoin app, and what I love about them and what I don't like about them each. All right, so let me start with Binance. Binance is beside Coinbase is the biggest exchange in the world, and they literally take their time to list a particular crypto asset, and before they could list a crypto asset, it takes a whole lot of time. They have to review those crypto assets, have to meet some certain criteria. So now if you look at these apps, you see that they both work alike. Their interface are the same. All right, these exchanges literally use the same code pattern, but the differences is just the internal operation of the the exchange that is different. Now Binance on their own interface, let me start with KuCoin. KuCoin have on their own interface, like at this spot here, you could see deposit. You can actually deposit, you can see new coin listing, trading robot, referrals, KCS bonus, reward, convert, P2P. All right, so now there's this P2P and the deposit are the hot button that you might want to just use, plus the convert that you might just want to use almost all of the time, before the home option, then the market option, then the trade, future, and asset. All right, why on Binance, the section where you see asset at the bottom right hand side, on Binance they have theirs as wallet. All right, these are two words that were just used interchangeably. While on Binance interface you have the deposit there, the referral there is as well there, but P2P is there, but just placed in a different position. All right, the positioning is what differentiates how it is placed on Binance to how it is placed on KuCoin. One thing that I don't really like too much about KuCoin is they are always listing new crypto assets. Yeah, regardless of whether that crypto asset is good or not, they are always listing new crypto asset. Look at today now, they are listing GMX crypto asset. Now if you check, almost every day they listed one yesterday, they listed another one day before yesterday, they listed another one some Tuesday, Monday. They are always listing crypto asset, and it makes me think if this system actually genuinely review this asset or not, like genuinely review some of these assets. Although I'm aware that they take about like $35,000 to $45,000 some exchanges to list some assets, so let me believe they review those assets very well. Like for instance, now the day that this particular asset was listed, okay, this particular asset here, it was listed at about, let me just tap on it. It was listed at about 0.7000, but the same day, within the same hour, it drops all the way to the bottom to about 0.000007. okay, so you could see the current price right now is around 0.045. so it dropped drastically. So they list assets so many times. Meanwhile, on the other hand, before Binance will list an asset, they literally takes forever. If you click on the more button, you will see launchpad, Binance launchpad. Scroll down and you see Binance launchpad. Oh, have I passed that? Yeah, let's scroll gently. Binance launchpad. Okay, here we are. Binance launchpad is at the end section. So Binance literally categorized that. So the last crypto they launched on Binance was actually step N, that's GNT, and immediately this crypto was actually launched, it actually pumped and it continued pumping for so long. But immediately crypto is listed on KuCoin, that particular crypto tends to just drop and keep dropping and keep dropping and keep dropping before it starts moving from its natural price. Okay, now on the same thing, everything operates virtually the same way, from the trade to future. One thing I don't like about KuCoin is the trading future. There are some crypto that if you sell some crypto here, they take a whooping about 2% charge on the spot trading. Not all though. I'm talking about crypto like Form. The last time I sold Form of about $3,000, and they charge almost close to $100 at the spot wallet. So the charges there is literally much. So now if you click on asset, everything virtually works the same. Why to go to P2P? Their P2P is here. Here on KuCoin, you find here, if you tap there to buy crypto, you can switch between P2P and using card options and using a third party to buy crypto from the drop down at the upper layer. And then everything works similarly like Binance. Like they have BTC option, KCS and USDC. They don't have Ethereum. They don't have BNB right there, but they have their KCS. That's their own crypto. They have it right there. And here on KuCoin, you can add as many payment method as possible, but there's no place where you can search to filter add within the amount range. While on Binance, everything is packed into funding wallet. Okay, on KuCoin, you can literally go to the P2P from this particular section, the homepage. But on Binance, you have to go to the funding wallet before you see P2P, before you see pay, before you see gift card and pull every other payment method you want to use. On Binance, if you tap on P2P, it's much more let's say better. There are better codings involved here on Binance, because here there is a lot of options. You could filter, you could select within amount range, and you could filter out some amount and just filter and just add pops up. Okay, and there are different range. Okay, BTC, Binance have their two coins, BUSD and BNB right there, and Ethereum right there. Okay, so it's quite the same. So at that top there, you can ask where switch. Okay, switch in between. All right, so let's go back. And why Binance have their own name funding, KuCoin have theirs as main wallet and trading wallet before the margin and future and finance wallet is what I've never used. So I think the finance wallet is where you actually do your investment. So they have theirs as trading wallet when you want to you trade as spot, but Binance have theirs as spot wallet. That's where you do your spot trading. Okay, your crypto has to be in your spot wallet before you can do spot trading. And the spot wallet is also same on Binance, also same as the main wallet. All right, then funding wallet, the P2P wallet, and you have the margin, future, and the end. The section where it's named finance for Binance is actually named N. All right, so now one thing I find really amazing about KuCoin is that they follow some services, some crypto that they list. Binance don't really follow the cryptocurrency that they list like that. They don't really do that. Then one thing I also find amazing about Binance that is not on KuCoin is that Binance takes their time to list their particular crypto, any crypto they want to list. And Binance have this feature where okay, if a crypto is not arriving, you can actually file a complaint if a crypto is not arriving early, or maybe you send a crypto to the wrong address. By clicking on this solution here, and then you can fill in some form or check if there is any problem with your crypto deposit. You see forgot to fill memo or tag, and Binance will take a little fee of about $30 or something to recover your funds for you. But on KuCoin, you can as well check to see an incoming transaction or outgoing transaction to see the number confirmation, but such option is not there. If you lost your phone or KuCoin by sending to the wrong address, it is totally gone. Now, one last thing is KuCoin is very easy to verify. It literally took me like within 30 minutes to register and verify my KuCoin with my ID. on Binance, before you can verify on Binance, you literally have to do the facial verification where you have to blink your eye, turn left, turn right. I believe all these, they have their different security measures. So those are just the two differences. Just those are just the few differences between Binance and KuCoin that I have to share with you guys. So there are a lot of them, but their similarities is just about their interface and the way they operate. So if you ask me which one I prefer, I will say Binance, and this is my reason. Binance, if you're sending crypto to Binance, and let's say based on your negligence, you choose a wrong address, there is still a slim chance of you recovering that crypto. But on KuCoin, there's no such chances for you. If you've sent the wrong address, that's lost and it's lost forever. Nobody will assist you in recovering it. Binance have some good customer care that does the recovery for people. So, but I use the both exchanges and I use them for different reasons. So, choose yours. Okay, subscribe if you don't have an account with any one of them. So just check the description of this video and you will find links to these exchanges and you can register an account. They are very simple to register. See you in my next video.